All right, man. Me and bro about to put the SRT logo on the front bumper. Gotta take this off. He got his hand in there right now. Feed the wire all the way through to this side. And then I put the wire through here. Put the wire through there. So you gotta pick where you want your shit to go. I'm putting my shit on this side. You're gonna put the SRT on there, feed the wires through. All right, so bro is using
7x16.
7x16, or you can use a 13, but this one is smaller, so it's easier to use with your hand. We just feed it the wire through here, and then you come up. We use the hanger, little ghetto, you know. Use the hanger to attach this. That way, once you feed it through, all the way down there, you'll be able to see the hanger, and you can either grab it with a metal thing, stick a magnet to it and grab it, or you can tape it and then just go down there and grab it. So depending on where you get your stuff from, this wire is gonna come with it. I got mine from Lighting Trends. You gotta hook this part up to that part, the SRT part. All right, so once you connect that wire, you bring it up. You gonna plug the negative in with this. It might come with a hook where you can just screw this all the way off, hook that on the screw, and then screw this back on. But I just put my wire on mine, and then you gonna hook your positive up to either this, or you can use your fuse. You can open this and plug it up to your fuse box. It's totally up to you. I just chose to do this. Yeah. And then you can put electric tape on there too to hold your wire if you need to. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna wait till the light go off so y'all can see it. You can change the mode. You can have it blink if you want. And then it dims by itself.
Come to us, 300 installment fee.
It got a little remote with it, small little remote that you can hook on your keychain. That's in the dark. I can dim it, make it a little dark, a little lighter, back bright, blink, off. Thanks for the help with this guy.
$300.
$300 installment fee.